Here's a FPD smart TV that has Google TV. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is turn your TV on, make sure the batteries are in your remote. And then when you first turn your TV on, you have to pair your remote, okay? Now, mine's already paired, but you want to press and hold for 3 seconds. It says right here, the home button and the back button, home, back. So just press and hold for 3 seconds. Just hold it until the light here starts blinking, okay? So anyway, mine was already paired. Let me go ahead and skip that. And now from here, we're gonna choose our language. I'm gonna go with English, United States. Click on OK in the remote. My country is the United States. OK on the remote. We can set up with Google TV, or we can just go ahead and use the basic, but we want the whole shebang, so we're gonna set up with Google TV. Click on OK on the remote. Now, if you don't already have the Google Home app on your phone or tablet, you need to go ahead and download it and install it. So just, for example, go to your Play Store or your App Store, and then just do a search and just do for Google Home, and the icon here looks like this. That's what the app here looks like, okay? So once we have that downloaded, installed, and set up, now there's two ways we can set up. We can use the QR code, or we can set up on TV instead, do everything from the TV. But for me, I'm gonna go ahead and set up via QR code. It's a little bit faster. So I'm gonna get my phone here. I'm gonna bring up my camera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scan that QR code. Right there. Now it says choose a home. I got several on there. Let's go with the first one there. I'll tap on next, looking for devices. Connecting to your Google TV, and it just moved here. Now it says connecting. It says connected on the TV. Now it says connected on the phone. Now I get this terms of service here. Go ahead and read through that. If you accept it, tap on accept right down there. Where's the device located? Go ahead, you can choose one, whatever you want here. I'll just choose office for myself. I'll tap on next. My Wi-Fi, it's already in my Google Home app here. I'm gonna tap on next. And they already saved my Wi-Fi password. Connecting to Wi-Fi, it says connecting there. Okay, so the phone said connected, and now I'm here, sign into your Google account. I'm gonna tap on continue. And it says signing in. Now I get this, verify it's you. Yes, that's my email address. I'll tap on next right there. It says signed in there and signed into my phone. Now this pops up here, Google services, and these are optional. Use location, use diagnostic, recommendations, ads, and so on. Okay, so you can uncheck whatever you want. I'm fine with having all those toggled in, and I will tap on accept for myself. And Google Assistant here, I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue. Search across all your apps. That's option you can allow or no thanks. I'm just going to go with no thanks for myself. Confirm your preferences. Go ahead and read through that, and that's up to you. Okay, for myself, I'm just going to go and confirm with this one. Choose your subscriptions. You can go ahead and choose it now. You can always get them like later after you're done the setup as well. I'll just go with YouTube and Disney. I have subscriptions to those, and there's more down there, but that's good for now. Like I said, you can always get all the apps later after the setup as well. And then this is basically a screensaver. So this is optional. You can go not now and do it later. It doesn't really matter. But for myself, I'll just tap on Art Gallery here. I'll go next, and I'll take that one off, and I'll keep these ones here is fine. And I'll tap on next here. Almost done. Review of what we're setting up right here, and I'm going to tap on continue. Setup is finished. Complete setup on TV screen with remote. So I'm going to tap on done here. Okay, so we're done with this, and the TV here is moving again. So I think we're done with the phone now. We'll concentrate on the TV here. Network privacy policy, read through that, and then okay. If you agree. Time zone, I'm in California here, which is Pacific time. Select TV mode, home or retail. Of course, you want to go with home. Chromecast built-in, always available. That's up to you, okay? So for me, I'll just put off, but you can always change that later as well. It doesn't really matter. TV tuner, I don't have an antenna or a cable, so I'm just going to go right to next step. Disclaimer, go ahead and read through that. If you accept, click OK on accept. Setting up a Google TV, we get a progress bar here, so we got to be patient now. Adding finishing touches. Get the most out of your Google TV. You can go to read through those. I don't need any of those. I'm going to go right to Google TV, but you can always set any of these up like later on as well. So it looks like we're all set up here now. So we're ready to go. So if you have any other apps that you want to add, or maybe in the future or whatnot, just click on the home button on the remote. And then once you're here, you want to go down to where it says your apps right there, and then move all the way to the right. And then you just want to tap on add apps. And then from here, you can go ahead, you can go down here. You can do a search. So you can do a search for an app, or you can just go ahead and go down and look for it. So, okay, so there you go, pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.